Birol kana wal jigéen ñu ne mu ko doon kana wal jigéen yo jambat all green all green all green all green okay la ko lagi yo ko gum ya ta ko Allah ko ya ga fada do ka but you know you can tell the whole assistant exit the me dark green if I know but I need some adjustment so obviously it will push me to make more financial on what he asked me. Yeah, not only me but everyone. Some customers was can be Boy, just for today, at least you are not paying. So, what did we do? We have collected our leads. And now we will wash it. It is clean. And then now we're gonna blend it. When we blend it, what do we eat for? Huh? When we blend it. No. When you blend it, I'm telling you the blend. But no good at it, understand it? So now that water, you measure it. A standard food processor. Sometimes you can build the boost, you have like the moringa will taste good. But in the standard and the recommended one, commendation 2 already, you're 1 liter already. Every 1 liter, you are 6 liters of water. In every 1 liter. So, example, you 2 already. After black cup of that, you will add 6 cup of water on it. The same measurement. You get it? So okay. So if I put it on fire, I can. So somebody should create a group for this class. Exactly. Then we can send some of the things there. So you put it on fire, I can up to 80 degrees. Some call it body temperature. If it boils, it will change until it wanted to hot. How would you know that it is 80 degrees and we do not have temperature? Before it boils, you will see some bubbles there, small ones in it. You understand? When you started that, you remove it. If you remove it, you know what you will do again? You go and speed it again. Yeah. You get it? Now that is what we are about to start.
Like what he explained, coming do is a na candidate for a yellow from the Yana Mundi, Managana Namuda. Then the Babla Manican 80 degrees Celsius. Come out 100% for your soda. Huh?
Hey, where you going to
and then we don't solve like me left our it will be difficult. You need to go to market and buy it.
And then the glass.
So, for you to be at safer side, like juice or anything you want to process, you cannot contaminate. Because stay in sana, maybe before you will be tired or you will be in a haze. You are having some other errands to run. What I learned from my people, they said you need to take a knife or a blade or sharp object and remove this plant you are having. Minga bidon ni nyingkale. Nying dulo ni cause dol wado ni na oza nyale wonyo san sino kante wala bobo clean. Ikale kaba ko nyin line abuka sene abage. I don't understand because they are always in a haze or kayalo. So for you to contaminate, for you to set free from this germs and bacteria, you need to remove this. And then you learn on you this many ni abon doesn't mean a couple of customers.
Yeah, body by use. You can add saving there. Ninga don't kono mo ya fana bi comme ndenen si val benyame. Sa an do hanse. You get it? And mbazo ko ben feji ya so ko kele at pato ya. So let's go
I know that please, God bless, please.
So you see, so we have 166 minimum and maximum is 10.
Moringa tea, but we concentrate more on moringa juice. So now we are moving to cucumber juice. Because many of people here might be thinking, how come this thing will be processed? We have juice from it. But it is very simple. So the ingredients there is cucumber, then you have the lime, sugar. So this flavor contains nana, essence, or juice. But remember, we are not putting even moringa, ML start everything. But did you hear he mentioning juice? Who can tell us the reason you're going to cook out? It I can't stand up on it because you don't know. More malum, mean chemical the other data name. So, and mostly many of we the human beings are complaining about it. So, they are allergic, this skin infection, this skin rashes near your leg. I was here right now talking about seasonal on this hand and season. Skin rashes, skin infection, and it's near according to these people health. Near your is from this juice and also these gimbals and so on because they are not healthy. We don't know what kind of chemical they are made of. So, bearing this fresh thing, you'll be that and without apply any juice or things for it. Because we all know that flavor, nana, is it not natural? Yes. For essence also, we are having natural taste, we are like combine. To be frank, chemical means add to it, I don't know it. I don't know it. Yeah. So you can use nana, essence, pour comme la flavor here, findi, demanding. Nana nana or sorry mum essence sama sodo nana demo sanana tano ya blend fire blend ya muta ya kaji so comme nana ni dolji asaftal kende so cucumber ingredients they are not mining this flavor is the one you can even cut from it
so that's so you see this is ginger. This is ginger. You gotta go for ginger the one in kiji.
Okay, ginger for the measurement, like for it. Huh? For easy measurement. What do you get Miss Mary or even this tea cups or tea cups or automatically tiny the empty one. If you want to have this the equal measurement, like ila moringa joji botoko polo. Example, botoko polo or almond polo. You can wala nyaki for ginger, you can put it into it measurement like one. Nya you come ala tesoni among fekete ko ila tara nyami. Then even our half you can put it there. But I'm ginger roll door for the nyoti. Ni ben takitin kitim mafi aka gana sub than this order one min megalari, isn't it? So ni ben do fi and if you're gonna kasiya nyoti na bana min do if on ka difference then ba adalaka. Thank you so much. So you can add it. Now the first 7 is done. First Thompson road is done. So this second one stage for moringa, if you want, you can take all your ingredients, ginger, nana, ajima. It's a bacon on you one roll. You have to down again. Then you need a final processing soda. Well, sorry, and a final sauce and draw soda. Like this, even sugar, you can put it here. So it is important and advised that when you are starting with anything, start with low. This could put sabale be below on your left. Cleaning half the day follow back, you test it. Huh? Where do you see? Now come like you marry, electricity for Yamaki. Try elephant and be a bala. You have a car of marketing interest. Amari at this island sugar level of you. Free job and even you can a diamond job. Remember, I'll test him, near the free job, I'll reduce it. If I understand. So the best level even mean arrange, if I know it, and you will understand it. So this is how it depends on the measurement of the moringa test. Moringa, what do you have? Because you have test. Hello, another step now. We move to Nana. Nana from body depends on you. Again, flavor or 100 on the test. Nana, Sarah. I wish like we have this honey so that we can divide this moringa into two. Now lita jibioka test nyamani BNB dark nyami. BNB do even kasitol daya ko yung prega adu. Sometimes ni anye moringa ko moringa nga a milky ta kendege. Isala mari la BNB pengada. But for us ndo nda gana milk in the list only half of it I will put it. Binko, so you have a use now. So you can understand, Ali Alfahamla, BNB will be half. Dan ko kumia, minta kalkan. Ade abe kundula ayete kondiji. So I have to fasten then this will be the easiest way. Our material is gonna blend and the other one. So when you are doing it, you can make it in this shape. Okay, now we wash our calculator. We cut them into pieces. We slice them into pieces. Now we blend it already, so we are now moving to filtration to filter it, to differentiate, to separate the water and the other one. in other stuff. So I am 31st. Remove the head. Wala kumo kan kula be ya hello. Aya ko lekende kama ya be ya ko. Apparatus aya ku fa tenya. Abaro ko la aya ko ra into because it's all niye ko la ñu ko nak and blend ta fa wala ñu. And mo be ya ko kan kulo aka min be cause in our society. Aka min boy ko kan kulo aka de aka min de also kono di mo. So after that, I have result or they just only do it. So it's not good. When I can't pull will be able to get I have again fresh water, then I have a blend. In case also if you don't have this blender at home, in case if you don't have this blender at home, you can check it, but remember it needs to be clean and neat. So what clean you find kono? It cannot be like can pura kulung wala yeta yen to ye wala jeja. No. Anyanta tin la lo odo nyin ay clean rek. Akano odo another odo soro. Kano ya ku fayno lep. Fayno lep. Then ya tekana you know don't ba mira mina na ma som. Inka do ka som. Niba blend that is just one. So now blending na keja. Nikalero na. What we will do is like kalero no kona jana. Duli no fana. Measurement is there. That only 40 bar half full and all use. No less than 150, 150. So you can understand. So now 1 cup and a half. 1 cup and a half. That's what we are having here. Then 40 bar. Kali meda podi bakri yola sa dulin podi ndim oy dulin podi basa o dulin podi ndom pata kay to so do nyala tulo ko gana tango an peba so smanya na kala wonya peba so pol be nyata ko fa kutan no ko fanga nyata kanyan na so ya dulin podi bakalin sang dulin podi ba fa kan di domandi o bare la jangela la di blend ginger ingredient to have the black pepper and this mutard. Don't have for mutard ka overlap mindi na pokan wala spiciness ni akafa. That's not good. Mutard musu na dama o $5. It's even okay. Reason why me am mutard is Coca-Cola and then come in here and spicy found gonna is there. Come in you can marinate because you can only think about marinate. So what I don't know, but mutard you should not overuse it because mutard is not good. So in here, this is what we are having is pepper itself. You have ginger, garlic, mutard, and oil. So some also use onion, but for me, I don't use onion in my pepper sauce. No, I don't use it. Don't get jabo ke, but the time I jabo, muka jabo ke. Jabo fana isa blend no. Oh, yeah, very messy. If I don't leave a door like me, you know can do fana. Isa man or isa the time there. Then for us to be a good safe and overall around this 25 another limit that whatsoever you will put it here, make sure your pepper with a high quality. And it needs to be quality. So you need to understand that. Any question? So we can use this starting. But if you want, you buy a little bit that come in and you can not a clear jar. I put out ya rose ken ke kam
Presentale ka be video.
e ba la ko duli do fe ka fay li bare la ñu duli ndi rek bol bi rek ya yari ndaka ya ma ya Ndom binda je yajulati from Faraba Bantang, a native of Faraba Bantang, and also a deputy speaker for welfare of young girls and women in Combo East District, West Coast region here.
Bi sin somanda mbe jang nyin class oro pour ka jube like to process especially kano itele you lead. So like ML I lead come like Douglas side, but ite ifarang inara ka program fula lead je farang aku mayara ba kele like moringa juice and also nying kano nying pour ka process. So nyi process o nying janni ibe datila ye hectic jumale soto comme ning karan funding el mum be karan kanka entrepreneurship janni ibe nyi process la wala how many days pepe sauce will be fintila.
All right, then. Thank you so much for this wonderful question. Abarkabake. Yeah, all praise be to the glory. Comme ila Christian mintandi anim fana yela nyina ngarda mu fundamenti. Mimu ntola nyi entrepreneurship cause mba convergence le kono. Minketa 7 days mbole kala jang. So for entrepreneurship classes ni tomorrow laba enna it is just 4 days. So for this food processing parts, we start with the theory aspect where my colleagues actually cover, which is Mr. ML Fati. Then for this food processing being means I mean like we take 2 days or 3 days. No, it's only today. Be killing on all you since in the morning, then we start this processing. So ingredients will introduction will study our students will audience will. Then from there we show them also the procedures, what steps even mentala pour killing you food soul process. Because nina raji be mo le jare kendi al bundal fanala jimbo lo nyulti sukurol ya nyi fendandawal abamantorol sab kantol fon la jare kendi abundala anim fanam agriculture as the young agriculturists entrepreneurs storage facilities in the Gambia is very poor, and also the marketing also is very poor. So it is important na youth soul na sister soul ndoma na bro soul priye kafundi nyoma to create this convergence come for them ye karandi sinin sama ni murunta soul kono isa jahana tre ba mali na ko do wole fon le na ko do ko wole nya itara blato, they will not allow these foods or fruit to waste like that. Because when you come to Pepe, but sisi no kuni Pepe tara fasiata ni storage good storage facility na table ima bamro because kanona overladunda kan jama biye katolile. So barita marinata yalong how to process this pepper sauce atachinyala. You can make it and it can stay up to 2 or 3 months properly when you follow the good procedures. Likewise to moringa, also moringa mojamal mala cool thank you back. But in how long jati kenda fon dama fon min babala alhamdulillah ko saka sasa jamal jara. Example like malaria. Malaria na duty la kende ketara lotano de maria tablia mon fenke e comme for sometimes if on les signs and symptoms ya comme like malaria lon kundi mo fever joints pains all this some of these are signs of these malarias. So we ka fa jeni kata lotano do lebda jambota in mandinka whilst in English language is called moringa yota na reki jikano da yala ka rek ya fujini ami alhamdulillah finjama be balo kana ka bondel so wala jeni bita nyun juice tan nyun juice kana na mali ka da nyami. So it's important your moringa then you move to cucumber also. Cucumber mojamal malonko you can have very important. Yeah, cucumber juice fanamu fenati ano akono juice bukataraji. It's all this sugar and also sugar nye menkataraji sukuru it is limited. I've got them be like 2 cups like even sir. So cucumber long fresh fruit soul niya so they process you have your good healthy life. Yeah.
So ngalon comme atol allié tomato paste wol fananka wo fananka dada wo fanan ate no kuliala bake but like comme masingol abe wo soto kanne wala alman wo masingo soto wala pour ka e wo process
ma koy roja right now at kida here mo masingo yin soto more machine on sort so wala nyin kam this convergence na try ko nyin materials o dol o nyin process food processing dol fina pour ka conduct so that when our partners see us they see all these videos all these good works they can help us to with this machine because it will really help us if we have this machine we can make different kind of things here. Yeah, for me, I am a student and also in art science like creativity or craft work. I am my own self-employed. Yeah, because I did this handcraft work too, upcycling materials, making mirrors out of glass. Even yesterday we are here with Sidkan decoration, making flowers with all car tires. So through this thing, these skills, it is very important as we the youths, especially we the young girls. We all know that this pregnancy, rape issue, gender-based violence, it is rampant in the whole world. But with these skills, if you empower your fellow youths into it, all these issues we are facing in our country and our society will be managed. I don't think it will be 100% clear out, but I'm sure 85% will be managed because people will not even have such time to go and do this. All of them will stay focused on their works because our this today class is very impressive. If at all we are out of time, but some other time we try our own way, our own best to conduct another training session to make soap making from moringa, neem tree soap making and so on.
So this one ngalo na abita akuma yata bakele pour ka nying dundi comme converging campaign auto but atol fanang comme as an comme youth entrepreneurship within the district so also alla function programme sotole ka wo organize ka sponsor nyini ka dindingol commandi comme boys jang pour wol fana yena pour ka nyin karam because niya ibajela either 2 days or 3 days wol fana be be fen jamal soto laje comme ka nyin dundi because watoti je so wolem problem ode but nyin ila student wol mum botana dawda so animal fanam ben tol jube wala mum be jobe la animal mum conversion mabe yemune soto pour ka wol fay kana
Mil nada in convergence idula cause participant na story it is almost 300 from different places. We have Banjul, some people from Banjul, Basse, all the way from Basse up to Komba is here to attend this camp. So mbo mi follow come in the youth told me and in camp mabe for them to prepare themselves next camp they should not miss it. Cause camp Nico camp mujama camera like it is fun, only for fun, but no. Our camp is different from others. We empower, we learn different things. So about these skills areas, it is very important. I'm 100% so. My colleagues, the one we trained them are here today. They even give us the feedback, like they will create a group. Anything if they are back home, they will make it and send it to us because they are very happy. What they learn here, it is very impressive and creative.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Okay.